big dog motorcycle transmission problems, or motorcycle transmission problems in general.
We have here,
So what we got here is, you see this red fluid here, and you can see how thick the primary fluid is here. What has happened is the owner or his mechanic has been using redline shock oil, transmission oil, in this big dog transmission. And the problem with that is normally on a standard Baker OD6 transmission, you'd have a bearing that's about this dimension here, circumference here. And so it's much larger than this small 2-inch main input shaft bearing. So what happens is that because of the thickness of this oil, this bearing spins at a much higher RPM. It slings this thicker oil out of it, and because the oil's so thick, it can't flow back down into and through the bearing and keep it cool. So the bearing overheats, and then over time, you end up with the bearing getting trashed like this. All the inner parts are all jacked up. And so this bearing is trashed, so now this whole transmission has to be pulled apart and rebuilt and all the bearings replaced.
Well, that looks like a major job, is it?
Yes.
Wow. So basically this job, you think the whole cause was the guy used the wrong transmission fluid?
Correct.
That's a big mistake for him.
Never use redline shock oil in your 05 and newer big dog right side drive transmissions.
What's the best oil in your opinion? I know they had some synthetic oil.
Lucas V-Twin gear oil, 75-140. That's all we use here in our shop. We've had great success with it. Keeps the transmission cooler than most other oils. All right, folks, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for joining us again, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Live Service Manual.
If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a like, share, or comment, and mark our YouTube channel as one of your favorites. This way you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. Take care.